Somewhere here in suburban Mumbai, in this premise, a silent revolution in the country's retail segment is going on. Employees here are burning midnight oil, slogging it hard to materialize the concept area online and reach it further among a vast, very vast untapped retail segment in India. Every day, the marketing team members of HKG Limited, listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange, are reaching out to hundreds of local retailers unexposed to the benefits of going digital and reaching out to thousands of untapped customers. Javed Khan is one of such beneficiaries of the area online concept introduced by HKG Limited few months back, and now the phygital concept in retail world has already tasted roaring success.
पिछले 5 महीने से मैं एरिया ऑनलाइन से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, जिसके मदद से मेरे बिज़नेस में काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है और मैं एरिया ऑनलाइन का काफ़ी थैंकफुल हूँ, जो कि कम रिजनेबल प्राइस में मैंने इससे सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रखा है, जिससे मेरे बिजनेस और शॉप में काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है.
Area Online, a brainchild of the HKG team, is a boon to retailers and small businessmen. Online business platform for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and startups. The company not only provides digital reach for the small business owners through its website and mobile application, but also provides social media links, digital page, payment gateway, and all these come at a very low subscription.
In Area Online, what we provide a web page, or we take the retailer, household, small businessman to a digital platform. We make a digital platform for them where they can transact the business digitally. The customers nowadays, as you are aware, all the people are very tech savvy. So they will take Area Online to a new height. So we provide them web page, which may be costing near about 14 to 15,000, which he may not afford at this stage. We provide them end-to-end solution.
Idea is to introduce digital world to the poor. Area Online also offers opportunities to expand business at a pan-India level, earn online recognition and brand name, while also helping in getting more business.
Of course, the end customers also get a huge benefits on them. There are two aspects of the benefits. That is, one is a price benefit and another is a known benefit. That is a known of the product which you get in your area. If you want a unique product, if you want to know that a saloon, suppose a saloon services, whether it is available in my area or not. So you just go on a digital platform or Area Online, you type a location, you see that there are 2 to 3 saloon in my area, in whichever saloon you prefer, at what rate, you can compare it out and you can take his services. So this is the end customer benefit you get it.
HKG Limited believes in the philosophy of save retailer, save economy. It also has been making attempts to make some strong contribution in building a digitalized India. The man behind most of these activities says,
तो हमने एक एरिया ऑनलाइन का मिशन निकाला है, जिसमें हम फिजिकल शॉप को डिजिटल लेके जाएंगे. ऐसे करके एक फिजिकल मॉडल बनाना चाहते हैं, जिससे इंडिया का हर एक एरिया के छोटे छोटे दुकानदार, हर एक 2 टायर सिटी, 3 टायर सिटी, उनको हम ऑनलाइन लेके जाना चाहते हैं. और ये जो गैप है फिजिकल शॉप और डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म का और डिजिटल शॉपिंग का, वो कम करना चाहते हैं. ये हमारा मिशन है. हमारा विजन है कि हम 2 साल के अंदर इसको करीबन 1.5 लाख 2 लाख रिटेलर तक लेके जाएंगे।
HKG Limited, after wooing the retailers in Mumbai successfully, is looking at markets in Chandigarh, Chennai, Gujarat, and remaining part of Maharashtra, leading to a real all-India rollout. A strong team has been working round the clock to make Area Online a sweet success, and they believe